Come test drive the 2016 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, front knee, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.